Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking connections and eliminating easy hardware causes. First, power down, reset HDMI or DisplayPort and power cable. Loose seating causes half screen and flicker. If that fails, swap to a known good cable or try a different port on the GPU to see if the fault follows the cable or stays with the monitor. Once done, boot into safe mode or connect the monitor to a laptop. That confirms whether Windows, GPU drivers, or the panel itself is responsible. Now you tackle software and configuration. Update the GPU driver using the vendor installer, and if the issue began after an update, roll back the driver. Drivers often mismanage outputs and produce half-screen results. Next, verify resolution and refresh rate in display settings and ensure a single display profile if needed. Open the GPU control panel and reset scaling and custom resolutions to defaults because improper scaling or a corrupted profile can clip half the screen. These steps separate software conflicts from hardware failure. Finish with focused hardware inspection and a decisive plan. Use the monitor OSD to run a factory reset and verify whether the internal menus also show half the screen. If menus are normal, the issue is likely the video input. Test the monitor with another computer and note when the fault occurs to prove reproducibility. If the panel itself shows half imagery or lines, plan repair. Open service only if trained. Otherwise, contact authorized repair to inspect internal ribbon cables or replace the display panel. That resolves most physical failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.